For those who work on creative industry, especially designer, Stylus Pen is like a gun for a war. Most people who work on creative industry usually spend their time working with Stylus Pen. On today's video, we have listed 5 best Stylus Pen for multimedia and graphic design. Apple Pencil Gen 2. Apple launched the second generation of Apple Pencil in 2018 on a package with iPad Pro Generations 2. By using this stylus pen, you can create a very fine line on iPad Pro screen which is sensitive to pressure. Nibs side of Apple Pencil Generations 2 creates wider scratches that are recommended for image shading. Apple also guarantees the Apple Pencil Generations 2 is free from lagging. The company also created the fringe of Apple Pencil Generations 2, flat for wireless charging and pairing. Sadly, this Apple Pencil Generations 2 is only compatible with 12.9-inch iPad Pro and 11-inch iPad Pro. Mako Universal Stylus Gen 2. This multifunction stylus pen is made of stainless steel and aluminum. This stylus pen can be paired with various devices such as iPhone and iPad, Kindle tablets, Samsung Galaxy phone and tablets, and many more. With an overall length of 5.5 inches, the Mako Universal Stylus Gen 2 has a tube of about 9 mm for comfortable grip. To minimize errors, Mako Universal Stylus Gen 2 is equipped with a clear disc at the end to show you exactly where the cursor goes and also gives the right point, so it is steady to make notes and drawing. The diameter of the disc is about 6.8 mm, which includes the rubber tip of 2 mm, while the diameter of the fiber tip is 6 mm. The nibs can be replaced, so you can use the additional nibs and discs on the Mako Universal Stylus Gen 2 package. Wacom Bamboo Sketch. This Wacom's Bamboo Sketch is a stylus pen that was designed with precision to draw and write on iPad and iPhone devices. It relies on a Bluetooth connections for pairing. Bamboo Sketch relies on the natural, precise, and realistic sensations of a stylus pen with fine nibs that are sensitive to pressure. In terms of design, Bamboo Sketch has an ergonomic design and matte painted surface. In terms of special features, Bamboo Sketch has 2 customizable buttons for output control and nibs that can be replaced. For charging, Bamboo Sketch must be charged via USB and equipped with a case. For compatibility, Bamboo Sketch can be used for iPad Pro 9.7 and 12.9 inches, iPad 3rd and 4th generations, iPad Air and Air 2, iPad mini, iPhone 6 and newer Apple products. Adonit Note Plus. Launched in 2010, this Adonit Note Plus can detect up to 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity, which makes it feel like a real pen. The buttons on the Note Plus pen can be modified and changed to functions to increase your productivity. For charging, Note Plus is supported by USB-C. Nibs on Note Plus can also be replaced. Adonit Switch. This stylus pen can also be used as a normal pen. You only need to rotate and release the back end to use 0.8 mm smooth pen. Made of aluminum, this Adonit Switch does not tire your hands with its weight 20.7 grams. Nibs on it have the same clear disc as Mako Universal Stylus Gen 2. thus minimizing errors when writing in digital notes or drawing. This stylus pen is very recommended to use for digital notes rather than drawing.